will read one of the poem of your ninth textbook, that is Nine Gold Medals, and this poem is written by David Roth. So the poem is all about a sports activity, a sport event that is organized by an organization, and many athletes from all over the world they participate in this event, and many spectators also, many people also came to that spot, to that field, to watch the event and to increase the spirit of the game, the spirit of the event. So we will know more about this poem Nine Gold Medals through the following stanza. So the first stanza continues as the athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver and the bronze. Many weeks and months of training all coming down to the games. So the meaning of the first line is the athlete, the men and women, those who will participate in the event, those are called athletes. So the athlete means जो सब पार्टिसिपेट करे एथलीट मैंने कौट आ फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द कंट्री गोटे देश विभिन्न प्रकार पार्ट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड मैंने विभिन्न फ्रॉम वेरियस कंट्री विभिन्न प्रकार कंट्री रू एथलीट मैंने आसछन कौन करिया ना स्पोर्ट्स रे पार्टिसिपेट करिया देन टू रन फॉर द गोल्ड फॉर द सिल्वर एंड द ब्रोंज व्हाई दोज एथलीट came from all over the country and they came to win the gold medal, silver medal and bronze medal. ସେମାନେ କାହିଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ନା ସେମାନେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବାକୁ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ନା ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ମେଡାଲ ଜିତିବେ, ସିଲଭର ମେଡାଲ ଜିତିବେ କି ବ୍ରୋଞ୍ଜ ମେଡାଲ ଜିତିବେ. ଦେନ୍ many weeks and months of training, those athletes have already prepared themselves for training by lots of week, month and day. ସେମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ଆଥଲେଟ୍ ମାନେ ट्रेनिंग रे जो पार्टिसिपेट କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ they have taken many weeks, ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼େ ସପ୍ତାହ, ମାସ, ଦିନ ମଧ୍ୟ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି for preparing themselves. Then all coming down to these games, ସବୁ ଯାକ ଯେଉଁ those are all athlete they have come to participate in these games. Then the second stanza, the spectators gathered around the old field to cheer on all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin. So the meaning of the second stanza is as the spectators gathered around the old field. Those all the spectators they have gathered in a field where the sports activity, the sport event was organized. जो field रे sports activity वा event organizedଥିଲା ସେଠି କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ଦର୍ଶକ ମାନେ ଆସି ଏକାଠି ହେଇଥିଲେ to cheer on all the young women and men. And why those spectators are gathered? They have gathered to cheer the young women and men. ये जो young women and men होଛନ୍ତି କ'ଣ athletes ମାନେ ये athletes ମାନଙ୍କୁ cheer କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଉତ୍ସାହିତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ spectator ମାନେ ଆସି gather ହେଇଥିଲେ. Then the final event of the day was approaching. जो गेम ର ଶେଷ ଦିନ ଆସି ପାଖେଇ ଆସିଥାଏ. Excitement grew high to begin. Excitement जो both spectator ଆଉ women men ଭିତରେ ବଢ଼ିବାରେ ଲାଗିଥାଏ. କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ନା ସେ ଗେମ୍ଟାକୁ ୱାଚ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁକା ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ପ୍ରବଳ ଉତ୍ସାହ ବଢ଼ୁଥାଏ. ଦେନ୍ ଦ ବ୍ଲକ୍ସ ୱାର୍ ଅଲ୍ ଲାଇନ୍ଡ ଅପ୍ ଫର୍ ଦୋଜ୍ ହୁ ଉଡ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ ଦେମ୍. ଯେଉଁ ବ୍ଲକ୍ କଲେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ଯେଉଁ ରେସ୍ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟର କ'ଣ ନା ପୁରା ରେଡ଼ି ହେଇଥାଏ କ'ଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନା ଯେଉଁ ଆଥଲେଟ୍ ମାନେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ କରିବେ ସେମାନେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିକି ସେମାନେ ରନିଂ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବେ. ଦ 100 yard dash ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ ରେସ୍ ଟୁ ବି ରନ୍. ଆଉ କ'ଣ ହେବ ନା ଯେଉଁ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ କଲେ ଯେଉଁ ରନିଂ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟଟା the 100 yard dash 100 event dash टा पूरा रेडी है and the race to be race टा कौन हो ना आरंभ हो the race to be run race टा दौड़ा स्टार्ट हो. then these are 9 resolved athletes in back of the starting line. there are 9 resolved means determined athlete माने कौन करथले ना से माने पूरा पूरी जो बैक स्टार्टिंग लाइन रो बैक रे थाई गिरी जो दौड़िया ପାଇଁ प्रिपेयर करथांती. And also paused for the sound of the gun. Those athletes also waited to hear the sound of the gun. He gun कले paused कले be ready. से माने जो पूरा प्रिपेयर करथले एथलीट माने कौन कहीं रेडी करथले ना जो रनिंग इवेंट रे दौड़िया ପାଇଁ जो रेडी करथले आ केमिति रनिंग स्टार्ट हो ना साउंड सुनबो जो गन रो रनिंग इवेंट स्टार्ट कलागु किछ गोटे साउंड हेले जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट रे से साउंड शुणिले गेमटा रनिंग गेम स्टार्ट हो बोली शुणिले से दौड़े. पॉज्ड फॉर द साउंड ऑफ द गन. जो गन साउंड शुणिले से दौड़िया ଇଭେଣ୍ଟଟା ସେମାନେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରି ନିଜକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବେ ଆଉ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବେ କେଉଁମାନେ ନା ଆଥଲେଟ୍ ମାନେ। ସୋ ଦିଜ୍ ୱେର୍ ଅଲ୍ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ୟର୍ poem 9 gold medal. We have only discussed the first three stanza 1, 2, 3. In the next class we will discuss rest of the activity. So these three activity is all about 9 gold medals.